Here are the 10 things that you need to know to be a top 1% Airbnb host this year going into 2026. Starting with number 10, Airbnb has made a whole suite of changes to their policies and they're not telling you everything. Airbnb has a non-circumvention policy that they're enforcing with AI. If your listing gets taken down, they use AI to find if you're creating a new one. Their off-platform policy they are enforcing by using fake phone numbers to route text messages through Airbnb. So when you text your guest a DM, that's not the guest that you're texting. They can read all of what you think to be private conversations. All of this is to ensure quality control on Airbnb because they want to remove the bad players. Sonder just went out of business because of these policy changes, and further, Airbnb removed all of the benefit of Superhost and put it all into guest favorites, so that way your one listing, if you do well with that listing, it gets the boost, but your account does not. The ninth thing that you need to know, you need to be aware of the Airbnb algorithm. Airbnb has changed their algorithm over the years to go from an interest algorithm to a satisfaction algorithm to this full life cycle mix that includes interest and risk mitigation. From what we have been able to learn over the years, we are calling what Airbnb's created a true negative score for your listing. Any negative aspects of your listing are marked, and then you have a final negative score, which may be -10 or -20 out of a score of 10,000. But when you change your cancellation policy from flexible to moderate to firm to super strict 30, that number multiplies. Airbnb ultimately wants to prevent guests from having a bad experience. So on the flip side, you can boost your ranking on Airbnb not just by lowering your price for the property that you have, but also loosening up your cancellation policy. And Airbnb starting in 2026 is going to let you do this dynamically, so day to day you can be firm or flexible depending on how hard that day is for you to get booked. So get ready, don't be so sticky on your cancellation policies, and you will rocket to the top of the algorithm. Number 8 on the things that you need to know. This one is becoming more important every year because everybody seems to have signed up for Price Labs or a software just like it. There are over 70% of people who use a pricing software, and that makes them ineffective for everybody on the software. If you're one of the 30% without a software, you could go completely dead because you're not moving with the market. But because everybody's moving to the same degree in the same direction, this is called herding. This is a level 1 deviation, and for you to succeed in 2026, you need to take your pricing system and start to manage above the system. There is a playlist for free on pricing strategy on this YouTube channel. We'll leave it at the end of the video. And the 7th thing that you need to know, interior design is more important than it's ever been because Airbnb is full of supply. But over the last 10 years, it's increased in quality as well. Your market may be oversupplied but have terrible hosts. You could have basic furniture and give good service and be okay. But more and more cities like Nashville and Miami and even here in Dallas or Chicago, the quality is increasing. To stand out and to get booked, we have to put true effort into our listing, and that starts with interior design. The 6th thing that you need to know, more than interior design, interior decorating as well. It's not just a perception of quality, but it's creating that got-to-have-it aspect of your listing. Color theory goes a long way when creating your Airbnb listing because it gives you hero photo opportunities, which we'll cover here in a second. And beyond the aesthetic, a guest can tell if you're a host that cares. The way that you decorate a home signals to somebody that you're not just a rich real estate mogul that wants everybody's money. Perception of effort and perception of care come through with interior decorating. Coming in number 5 on the things you need to know. You know, this isn't just about Airbnb, is it? All the best hosts in the world are going multi-channel and they're going direct. Airbnb has less than 50% market share. That means if you're getting over 90% of your bookings on Airbnb, you are absolutely missing out. And here's a new way to look at this. There are a lot of new channels that people aren't on yet. But if you're on Wimstay and Hopper and VRBO and Booking.com and Trip.com and all these other places, and one of them spends some money on some marketing, and then guests come to that site and find your listing, and you're one of the only ones with a listing there, you can charge the prices you want and the terms that you want. So go multi-channel. Even if you're just a little bit early, it will pay off in the long run. The 4th thing that you need to know, managing your brand will be one of the most important parts of 2026 because there's going to be so much opportunity for you here in the world of direct booking. Ask yourself, who is my brand? Not what is my brand? Because your brand has a personality. It has a voice. The way that you message someone on Airbnb starts to define the feel, tone of your brand. And when a guest is looking for a home on VRBO, we have to ask, what are they expecting on VRBO? And how can my brand interface with that expectation? Same thing with Airbnb. Airbnb guests want something different than VRBO guests. They don't want a house, they want an experience. And the way that VRBO is spending money on advertising quiet places to read books, while Airbnb is advertising places that Elphaba flies her broom, these are completely different tones in their marketing. But then yourself or myself, we have to ask, how do we fit into this brand story? Think of it like a TikTok trend where everybody gets on a trend. Everybody is different, but there is something that's the same. VRBO and Airbnb and Booking.com, these are the trends and we are the creator. Start thinking like a creator and you're going to make a lot of money in 2026. The third thing that you need to know, if I'm going to predict anything in this video for you, it's that 2026 will be the year of the marketer. Real estate investors are suffering more and more and more as their average listings are getting less placement in the algorithm. It's because the customer is evolving in what they want. And in order for a company to keep up with customers, they have to understand the customer, which is the heart of marketing. I was able to make a listing go viral with over 70% average click-through rate conversion from view to click on Airbnb. And I did this with content marketing practices, how to make a thumbnail that people have to click, kind of like this YouTube video. So if you study content marketing and funnels, you can directly apply anything that you learn about a sales funnel to your Airbnb listing, create curiosity, get the click, confirm the click with your top 5 photos, build trust along the way, and use a call to action to get them to book. Textbook funnel. And the second thing you need to know, if you can find a way to automate your messages, where a guest doesn't know that your messages are automated, you can find a way to get 5-star reviews every time. And the trick to this is to set an automation that starts a conversation. The way that I do this and the way that you can copy is find something nearby that you like to recommend. Put it in your guidebook, but then have an automated message that says, "Hi, welcome to Dallas. While you're staying here, I really recommend this restaurant or this bakery for this pretzel croissant, one of my favorites. Check it out. I hope you like it." And then after the stay is over, your follow-up message says, "Hey, did you get a chance to check out that bakery with the pretzel croissant? What did you think?" That was automated. They had no clue. Doesn't make any sense to automate that. But after they respond to that message, you have a real conversation that allows you to ask for the review if the sentiment was good enough to ask for the review. That way you don't offend anybody with an automated message where they were already mad at you to begin with. This will save your 5-star review percentage and keep you on guest favorites. And finally, number 1 on what you need to know in 2026. This is absolutely crazy, hosts. This may be the best year to start or expand your Airbnb business. And it's because of this collapse that we're experiencing, not just in the rental market, but also in the home sales market. There are more homeowners trying to sell than ever before. It's so bad that Trump mentioned a 50-year mortgage as a possible solution, which is a terrible idea to anybody who understands that the lifetime value of a loan would completely balloon with all those extra interest payments. But we can all ask ourselves as professionals here, what does this mean for us? This means that there's homeowners locked into a property that they cannot get rid of, and they have to pay the mortgage. The 2 opportunities that you have is to expand aggressively, either through co-hosting partnerships or rental arbitrage with these owners that are forced to become landlords now. And because they're forced to be a landlord, they're more likely to say yes to arbitrage because they've never been a landlord before. They would love a responsible professional who knows how to manage a property to be the one renting. And some of these owners will have enough money and enough ambition to buy their own furniture and want to capture the upside. So as long as you give these owners the option of co-host or arbitrage, you can pick up tons and tons of property this year. You won't need to buy a single door, and you can 10x your portfolio. All right, friends, that's all 10. Here's the playlist on pricing strategy so you can continue your price journey, but here's one on the algorithm too, in case your prices are just fine and you really want to learn what's inside of a customer's head and how you can maximize your revenue through beating the algorithm. Thanks so much. I'll see you on the other side.